Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 2002 Porsche Boxster S. It's a 6-speed manual with just under 102,000 miles. It is in lovely shape inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. It's the 6-speed manual transaxle, 3.2 liter flat 6. Interior is in great shape. Little bits of wear on the outer driver bolsters, but otherwise very nice shape. Dash is nice, steering wheel is nice, all gauges work properly. There you can see the mileage today, 101,811. Has the cup holders, climate control, original radio, has heated seats, and all of that is great. So there you have it, our 2002 Porsche Boxster S.